Welcome back to Outgrow Tutorials. Want to know exactly how your Outgrow calculators and quizzes are driving conversions? In this video, we'll show you how to set up conversion tracking across Facebook, Google, HubSpot, Marketo, Adobe Launch, and Pardot in just a few simple steps. Start by logging into your Facebook Ads Manager. Go to the Events Manager section. Now select your Facebook pixel and copy your pixel ID. Switch over to your Outgrow dashboard and select the content piece you want to track, a quiz, calculator, or anything else. Click Configure, then General and SEO settings, then Tracking and Events. Paste your pixel ID into the Integrate Facebook pixel field. Want more granular tracking? Toggle on Customize FB pixel events. Here's where it comes together. Choose the pages you want to track, like your welcome page, questions, or results page. Assign a standard Facebook event to each one, like lead. Then add clear tags and values to keep everything organized when you're reviewing reports in Facebook Ads Manager. For example, when someone views your results page, that's your view content event. When they submit the lead form, that's your lead event. Use unique tags for each event so you can tell them apart, and assign distinct values for deeper segmentation. Once your content is live, head to Facebook Ads Manager and create a campaign using your Outgrow content's URL. Customize your columns to show the metrics that matter, like leads and content views. You'll find this option under Customize columns in the Ad Group section. When the pop-up appears, scroll down to Conversions, then Standard Events. Select the events you configured back in Outgrow and click Apply to save your changes. That's it. Now, in your Ad Group section, you'll see live metrics for every event you set up, right there in your dashboard. Beyond Facebook, you can follow the same process to integrate your Outgrow content with Google Analytics. Google Analytics 4, Google Tag Manager, HubSpot, Marketo, Adobe Launch, and Pardot. Whichever platform fits your stack. And that's how you track real conversions from your Outgrow content. Always test before publishing. Click the eye icon to preview your content from the user's perspective. When everything looks good, hit Go Live to save your changes and publish. From there, share your live quiz URL directly or embed it on your website. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today.